Welcome back. Prompt words. There are 21 words to practice with in this lesson. Use one word each day for 21 days. Several of these words, or perhaps one or two, will spark off an idea for a story or a poem. Take a 21-minute writing session to develop the idea and see where it takes you. Take another 21-minute writing session to balance your idea, having a complete story, poem, or article. This prompt word includes fruit, territory, growth, song, determination, grace, destiny, demand, diligence, preparation, unity, skill, sex, kingdom, future, religion, family, business, influence, and corruption. Just like I said in the beginning of this course, that this course to help you assess your creative side. This is how it begins. Ensure that you participate in all the activities, just like this. Be part of it, and you see yourself becoming a creative writer. Join me in the next lesson where I will talk about why prompt words. Thank you.